Welcome to the basic lesson on security control with Homematic IP. In this lesson, I will demonstrate in a detailed manner how to teach in a window contact and an outdoor alarm siren. Additionally, I will explain how to connect these two devices so that an alarm is triggered when the window or door is opened. First, we will start with teaching in the door-window contact. This can be done directly from the home screen if it's the first device, or if you go to the section More by clicking on Add Device. Then please simply press the pairing button on the door window contact so that it becomes visible in the list and can be selected. Please select it and read the last digits of the serial number located inside the battery compartment. To proceed, you need to either enter the last 4 digits of your account number or scan the QR code using your mobile device. To proceed, please click on Continue. You can close the compartment again, and in the next step, please select a room for this product, such as the hallway, and then click again on Continue. You can also assign a name for this device, for instance, front door. Finally, we need to specify whether this product should be used for climate control applications, such as lowering the temperature on a radiator thermostat when the window is opened, or if it is intended for security applications and should trigger an alarm when someone opens the door or window. You can also select both, of course. Afterwards, please click on Done and complete the setup process by pressing the button on the device once again. Then, with a click on the home screen, please check if the product is correctly reporting its status. Currently, it tells me that the window in the hallway is open. This works with a light barrier system that detects whether a window is open or closed. As soon as I close this light barrier by simply placing the device on the table, it immediately indicates that the window in the hallway is closed. We can now control the alarm function by activating the alarm mode. To do this, we simply click on the second icon in the top left corner and select the presence mode. The presence mode includes all door and window contacts, but no motion detectors. Simply select this mode by clicking OK. Now it takes round about 25 seconds for all door-window contacts to be checked for their current status. For example, whether the battery voltage is okay. Once this check has been completed, the icon in the top left corner of the screen will change to the presence mode symbol, indicating that the system is now in presence mode. Now we can test if an alarm is triggered by opening the window. And we immediately see a push notification in the Homematic IP app. We can take a closer look at the details of this notification and, of course, deactivate the alarm by clicking Confirm. To also receive an acoustic alarm, we can proceed with tagging in an alarm siren. The alarm siren, outdoor, does not require an external power supply as it supplies itself with power thanks to a small photovoltaic panel. The setup process is similar here. Just click on More, then select Add Device and press the pairing button, which is located on the back of the device. First, you need to remove the mounting plate, which is installed on the wall with 4 screws. Additionally, carefully open the small cover of the maintenance compartment and then gently remove the splash protection. Inside the battery compartment, we will find the built-in battery, a pairing button, and an on-off switch, which I will now set to on. Please wait a little moment and the device will appear in the list. To continue, please enter the serial number that is printed on the back side of your device. Once you have entered the serial number, you can proceed with Continue. In the meantime, you can close the device again. First, carefully put on the splash protection, then snap the cover back into place, and finally, install the device using the mounting plate. For the room, I simply select Outside, then click Continue, assign a name for the siren, and finally complete the setup by clicking Done. Now these two devices have already been connected to each other. No additional programming is required. Simply assign your window and door contacts to the security solution, and they will automatically be connected with present alarm sirens. I would like to show you this right now. We close the door window contact, and we also need to ensure that the sabotage contact on the alarm siren is not triggered, meaning the device is properly installed on the wall. For demonstration purposes, I will simply place it on the table and activate the alarm mode, the presence mode, again. When the door window contact is open now, not only a push notification appears in the app, but also an alarm is triggered by our alarm siren.